Hi, everybody. My name is Lian Quan. I started painting when I was approximately 10 years old. And later, I became a medical doctor in China and moved to the United States, start my life again. First, going to college again, completely for 6.5 years, got my master's degree in architecture and practicing architecture for approximately 6 years before I became a full-time artist. In the United States, I started teaching painting workshops since 1994. And I published 5 books with Northlight. Probably some of you already familiar with those books. So here are the books, 5 of them. First book, painting fish, teach how to paint fish. Second book, flowers, teach how to paint flowers, teach how to paint landscape, and teach how to paint animals. And then lastly, the last book is the Journey book, which is a collection of my paintings. Actually, I paint variety subjects. So here I show you a few examples, like the lions, animals, okay, and then fish, undersea life, turtle, sea turtle, and koi. So basically, I paint almost all kind of subjects, figures, landscape. Okay. In my class, I'm going to do demo in my Zoom classes. I do a lot of demos. For instance, if I teach how to paint this figure, I will have about 5 demos, and I do one demo and stop, and then let the student practice, what I just showed them, and then next one. So the format of my workshop is painting, demo, practicing. So a student can learn it easier, so they don't forget. And also, I would like to let you know that I only use 3 colors to paint. So far, all the painting you see are 3 colors: blue, yellow, and red. So this is a typical flower painting, orchid. All right. So I also teach Chinese painting as well. So these are 2 Chinese paintings, spontaneous style. So welcome to take my class. So you're going to learn a lot. You're going to learn some new stuff from my class. So I hope I see you all in my workshops. Thank you very much. Thank you.